Hey there, champs. It's me, Rocky, back in the ring of life for another session of wisdom and heart. Can you believe we're getting close to the second round of Rocky's legacy, Lessons from the Underdog? Time sure does fly, but we ain't done yet. We've covered perseverance, self-belief, hard work, the power of friendship, learning from failure, and the importance of respect and humility. Now in this session, we're going to tackle something that's gripped us all at one point or another: fear. You see, fear ain't just about what happens in the ring, it's about the battles we fight inside our heads. It's that nagging doubt, that little voice that says, "You can't do it." But let me tell you, fear ain't the enemy, it's a challenge. It's a test of our mettle, our courage, and our determination. In my boxing career, I faced opponents that scared me, fighters who seemed unbeatable, but I stepped into that ring, stared fear in the face, and gave it everything I had. And you know what? Every time I did that, fear lost its grip on me. Fear can paralyze, but it can also motivate. It can make you doubt yourself, but it can also push you to exceed your limits. It's all about how you handle it, how you use it as fuel to light your inner fire. I want to share a secret with you. Every champion, every person who's ever achieved something great, they've faced fear, but instead of letting it hold them back, they've used it as a springboard to launch themselves toward their goals. So my friends, let's face fear head on. Let's acknowledge it, respect it, and then let it fuel our determination. In the ring of life, fear may be a tough opponent, but with the right mindset, we can conquer it together. Let's dive deep into this lesson, and remember, fear ain't the end of the story. It's just another chapter in the tale of our triumphs. In facing fear head on, it's important to understand that everyone experiences it. It's a universal challenge, a part of the human condition. Even the toughest fighters, the strongest individuals, they've all felt that knot in their stomach, that hesitation before taking the plunge. But here's the thing, fear doesn't define you. It's what you do in the face of fear that truly matters. I've been there. You know, standing in the locker room, heart racing, palms sweaty, doubting my abilities. But every time I stepped into the ring, I embraced that fear. I used it to heighten my senses, to sharpen my focus. Fear became a reminder of what was at stake, a reminder that I cared deeply about what I was doing. And every punch I threw, every hit I took, it was a defiance against that fear, a declaration that I wouldn't let it control me. In the face of fear, knowledge becomes our most potent weapon. Understand that fear gains its power from the shadows of the unknown, from the what-ifs and maybes that haunt our minds. So the first crucial step is to illuminate those shadows. Take a deep breath, confront the fear head on, and ask yourself the hard questions. What exactly am I afraid of? Is it failure, rejection, uncertainty about the future? By pinpointing the specific source of your fear, you're taking away its ability to lurk in the vague corners of your mind. Once you've identified your fear, break it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Imagine fear as a giant opponent in the ring. You wouldn't try to tackle it all at once. You'd focus on specific moves, strategies, and techniques. Similarly, dissect your fear into bite-sized components. What steps can you take to address each aspect? What skills or knowledge do you need to acquire? By breaking the fear into smaller challenges, you transform it from an overwhelming monster into a series of conquerable obstacles. Just like training for a big fight, facing fear requires a systematic approach. Work on mastering each aspect individually, honing your skills, and building your confidence. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and your ability to overcome challenges. Remember, every small victory over fear, no matter how minor it may seem, is a step toward mastering the bigger challenge. In the grand tapestry of life, fear often appears as a daunting mountain, its peak obscured by clouds of uncertainty and doubt. But remember, climbing a mountain is not about racing to the top. It's about putting one foot in front of the other, facing each step with unwavering determination. In this journey, patience becomes your ally, guiding you through the twists and turns, the moments of doubt, and the uphill battles. Embrace the process, for it is in the struggle that your character is forged and your spirit strengthened. Also, my friends, persistence is your steadfast companion on this journey. It's the refusal to surrender, the commitment to keep moving forward even when the path seems treacherous. With each conquered fear, you carve a notch on your belt of resilience, reminding yourself of the challenges you've faced and overcome. Every fear faced and conquered is a victory earned, a testament to your bravery. Courage, my friends, is not the absence of fear, it's the audacity to act despite it. It's the choice to confront your fears head on, to stand tall in the face of uncertainty, and to move forward with purpose. Let fear be the fuel that propels you, the catalyst that transforms hesitation into determination and anxiety into strength. In the ring of life, fear may be a formidable opponent, but with the right mindset, it becomes a stepping stone toward our goals. Together, let's acknowledge the fear, embrace the challenge, and conquer it. Let's transform fear from a paralyzing force into a catalyst for growth. By acknowledging it, we strip away its mystery, unveiling it as a challenge waiting to be surmounted. Embracing this challenge, we step into the arena of life with newfound strength, knowing that fear, once confronted, can be transformed into a source of empowerment. Together we become a formidable force, unstoppable in our determination to conquer the obstacles that lie ahead. Through unity, we draw courage from one another. It's the support of our fellow underdogs that fuels our determination, propelling us forward even when the path seems daunting. In this unity, we find the strength to face any fear, no matter how daunting it may appear. With each step we take together, we amplify our collective courage, making the impossible feel within reach. We are not merely individuals striving for personal victories. We are a community, a family of underdogs, standing tall against our fears and emerging victorious. As we stand on the brink of the next round, I want you to recognize the incredible transformation taking place within you. Every session we've shared, every challenge we've faced, has been a chisel shaping the masterpiece of your spirit. Fear may have knocked on our door, but it was met with the unwavering fortress of your courage. In the face of adversity, you've shown resilience. In the face of fear, you've demonstrated bravery. So, my dear friends, don't let the echoes of fear haunt your steps. Instead, stride forward with the confidence of a champion, for within you beats the heart of a warrior. Your courage is not just a shield, it's a weapon, a beacon illuminating the path to your dreams. Keep your gaze fixed on the horizon, for it's there that your triumphs await and your potential knows no bounds. As we venture toward the unknown, remember that you're not alone. We're bound together by the common thread of resilience, the shared spirit of champions. Stay fearless, keep that fire of determination burning bright, and let's continue this remarkable journey arm in arm. I'll meet you in the arena of life where together we'll face our fears, conquer our doubts, and emerge victorious, one courageous step at a time. Until then, onward, my friends, onward into the uncharted territories of greatness.